Hello friends, I hope you all are doing well. Welcome to UCC, UPSC Cultural Club. UCC is a platform where you can share and gain knowledge related to UPSC. We are also available on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter and Telegram, so please follow us. Guys, myself Suraj Kumar Mishra, I am one of UPSC aspirant like you. Today I am going to talk about the saviors of our nation. I think you all guessed right, the Indian Army, Bharatiya Thal Sena. The Indian Army is the world's second largest army with more than 12 lakh active personnel and has the world's largest volunteer force. Means the force recruitment is not practiced in Indian Army. The President of India is the Supreme Commander of Indian Armed Forces and Indian Army, and its professional head was Chief of Army Staff. Presently, General Manoj Mukund Narwane, Param Visist Sena Medal, Ati Visist Sena Medal, was Chief of Army Staff. Army headquarters was present in New Delhi. Indian Army operates in 6 different operational commands and 1 training command throughout our country. The troops are organized into 14 divisions of 14 different corps under 6 operational commands. Operational command is commanded by General Officer Commanding in Chief with the rank of Lieutenant General, and each command is directly report to Army headquarters. The Siachen Glacier, world's highest battlefield, which is at 5,000 meters above the mean sea level, is guarded by the Indian Army. The Indian Army names the world record for accepting the largest military surrender when Pakistan Army of 93,000 soldiers surrendered in 1971 Indo-Pak War. Indian Military Academy Dehradun and Counter-Insurgency and Jungle Warfare School at Mizoram trains the foreign army soldiers of many countries like UK, US and Russia. Indian Army does not recruit on the basis of any reservation of caste and religion. Unlike other government organizations in India, it provides religious harmony amongst the soldiers. It is a history that Indian Army never initiate war with any country or involved in any type of military coup. Apart from guarding the nation, Indian Army always helps the country in every drastic condition, and one of the biggest civil rescue operation was Operation Rahat in 2013 is done with the help of Indian Air Force in Uttarakhand. In August 1982, Indian Army builds the world's highest bridge, the Belay Bridge in Ladakh Valley between Suru and Dras River. The Chinar Corps, whose headquarters was in Srinagar, of Indian Army, done lot of welfare works for Kashmiri youth and Kashmiri Awam. The most elite regiment of Indian Army is Para Special Forces, and they are specially trained for special operations, direct actions, hostage rescue, foreign internal defense, counter-insurgency, and for many others. The only reason we the citizen of India are enjoying our life without worrying about our security is all thanks to Indian Army. Protecting our nation at the borders, fighting terrorism and illegal immigration, risking their life for us. They are on guard night and day, summer or winter, rainy or spring, every minute, every second, every time. Jai Hind.